it's just really huge. So on applying pressure all 2020 and beyond, okay? Hey guys, I didn't do an intro, so this was the intro I have. I hope you all liked the video and tell me what you think. All right, bye. Y'all, I hope you all are enjoying this setup because it's been a whole thing. But let's get into it. I'm super excited. I saw this at Target, and no, first I saw this on Facebook Live. This, I think she was like a news reporter. She was doing her makeup with this, and I was like, okay, she did this in like 5 minutes flat. I need this same product. Today I'm going to be showing you all what it is. This is called the Sonia Kashuk Body Sponge Blender. This is what I'm going to be using today. I'm testing it out. It's huge. It's super big. It's really big. Than the other beauty blenders out there. I normally use either the Real Techniques or I use the CVS brand. Okay, let's be honest. So this is what it came in. It was beat up. This was the last one. So this is what the packaging looked like. And it is supposed to, the three surfaces allow flexible application of self-tanners, bronzers, and foundations. Use the pointed end for contouring and precision coverage, and the flat edge to quickly apply product, and the round edge for buffing and smooth finish. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, no scissors required for this. This is how it's supposed to fit. If y'all can see how big this is, isn't that crazy? Look how big this thing is, y'all. It is like the size of my freaking palm. Can I put it in there? It's like the size of my palm. So this is the three sides. This is the flat side right here. This is the round side right here. And then this is the pointed side right here. So I'm about to go wet this to see how big it can get. And then I'm going to apply my foundation with you also. Let's go wet this sponge. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Look how big this thing done got. Like, are you kidding me right now? It's super huge. Okay, it's gonna cover like so much surface area right now. So we're just gonna try this thing out. The foundation that I'm using is a mix. It's the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I'm using the colors Nutmeg and Warm Mahogany. So nutmeg is really light for me, but I like that it's a cool tone. And then warm mahogany is a little bit darker, and as you can see, it's more reddish, a more reddish foundation. This is what they look like side by side. This is nutmeg up here, and then this is warm mahogany down at the bottom. So I'm gonna mix the two. Okay, so my mirror is facing here, so y'all be able to see everything. The girl that I was mentioning before on Facebook Live, she used the flat side, so I'm gonna try it with the flat side. I'm gonna do, I don't even know. I'm gonna try to focus it down here. Y'all see that? Yeah, I'm gonna try to focus it down here. I'm gonna do like one full pump of that. I'll be nervous about this foundation sometimes. And then directly in the middle, I'm gonna put one pump of the warm mahogany. And then we're gonna try to do this thing. So I'm gonna pump this all around. Oh yeah. The one thing, see how quickly that covered my whole entire face on that side? And I was watching another girl review this, but what she was saying that even though you can cover your face, sometimes it won't get in between the smaller spaces. So, oh, but it's working though. It feels good. It's really smooth. The finish is really smooth on this. I can say myself. I'm just doing patting motion. I have a lot of dark spots, dark areas, as you can see. So patting it goes. I'm kind of bending this piece because this is so big for my hand. I don't know how people are doing it. It's too big. So I'm going to do the flat side like that to cover it. but it's covering it up pretty well. I think y'all can see. The foundation will oxidize, so it won't look as bright as it's doing. I'm gonna do the same combo again. I'm gonna do 1 squirt of the nutmeg. And then this might be too much, but we're gonna go with it. 1 squirt of, I'll just tear my neck up. I'm gonna get this side of my face really good. And I'm gonna get this forehead. My forehead doesn't need that much, to be honest. It's just these areas. Again, my neck. This is just building the coverage so it can look really good. I did my eyebrows before I got on camera, just if y'all were wondering. I did those before to save time on this video. I do not put foundation directly underneath my eyes because I use concealer. And I think that's a lot of product, but I do put the excess up on my eyelids. And I just blend it out. This is what it is looking like. Get your neck. I don't know how she was, her hands must be huge because I don't know how people can hold it like that. That's crazy. Make sure I get all my spots. So this is what the foundation is looking like now. I think it's really a flawless coverage. This thing is so big. So right here, I'm gonna use for my concealer to get like underneath my eye. So that's why I kind of peeled this back and then I'm just using this flat part. But it did what it's supposed to do now, honey. It did what it's supposed to do. I'm putting on, this is the LA Girl Fawn Concealer in the color Toffee. I switch between Fawn and Toffee, but right now, I think that's the only one that my beauty supply store had. So I'm about to get up under my eyes. And then I get right here, in the middle, kind of going down. I get my cupid's bow area, and I get a little down my chin, but I focus mainly up underneath my eye. When you use like the new concealer, you gotta kind of use the product because it hasn't been like sitting there to be used. So, okay, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I'm gonna start using this part on my eye. It's so big for my hand. It's so big, so I'm gonna just hit her. I don't know if I need to zoom y'all in. Okay. She's spreading like butter. She's spreading. Okay. Right here on the side of my nose is where it be getting crazy. But she is. Okay. Yeah, I am no beauty guru, okay? So let's put that disclaimer right here. I don't want nobody saying that's not how you supposed to apply it. This is how I apply my concealer. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And I'm just pressing the product and I don't move it as much. I just press it in to the skin. And I hit that area. Oh, okay. Okay, Sheila. Okay, Sonia Kashuk. And then if I can't get this side of my nose, I calm down, okay? Calm down. I see y'all already. Calm down. Okay. And I just do the rest down here. Oh my God. It's so big that I don't know how I can do this. This is, okay. This is like if you going somewhere where you only can pack one bag and you need something that can do 3 products in one. This is when I would use this because this is so big from my hand. It's like I'm doing yoga for my hands up here. We don't do that. But I do like this little piece at the top. Y'all see I'm getting them eyebrows to be sisters, okay? Not twins, but sisters. Okay, so this is what the concealer looking like. It's all set. I got in both of my crevices on this side and this side, and also up here in the middle, my cupid's bow and my... This is a powder I'm going to be setting my concealer with. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the color Banana. Okay, this is what I'm using. I think I got this from, I want to say CVS. Maybe I got it from Walmart. Can't remember. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's very yellow, like the Ben Nye banana powder. So I've really been loving this lately. I like to put some in the top. Okay. And then I'm going to take this same pointed area of the brush, the sponge I mean, and we're going to set it. This is what it looks like on the sponge. Okay. Hold on my mirror. Look. And I dap the excess off if it looks a little bit too thick. We want her thick, but we don't want her thick. Right? Okay. I get this corner. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. I kind of bake, kind of, sort of, to be honest. Not really. I like to press the product into my skin instead of baking. I tend to do that now because if I let myself bake too long, girl, I be looking like little baby powder, giving a little Casper. You know, I don't need none of that going on. I think this nostril is bigger than this one because I can get that side together, but this side right here. But it sets the powder really good. Y'all saw how the powder like stuck to the sponge. So I'm gonna give it that. And then I'll do my nose as well. Get it a little bit, and I'll just pat that thing on out. Pat it, pat it, pat it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, Shirley. And I also like to put sometimes if it's gonna be hot, since we're going into summer, you know, even though we in quarantine or whatever, y'all need to, you know, pat a little bit powder onto my brow. You just doing a little bit. We're not changing colors. We're just patting them so they can stay. So this is what my setting powder is looking like. I'm gonna let that sit on the corner of my sides of my nose. I'm gonna come back with my face already done, and then we're gonna end this video with what my thoughts are on this sponge. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I finished my face. Overall, I will give this sponge an, I'll say a 7.5 out of 10. My only drawbacks is that it is super huge for my hand. This is it wet, so I can't do as much maneuvering as I would like, but it does do everything well. So it blends well, it gets the bacon together, it gets all your little creases, especially this part right here. Love it. I love this side. This I would use for like face powder or setting powder, like if you just wanted to seal in your makeup. But other than that, yeah, I think I give about 7.5. It's just really huge. So this would be like a travel sponge for me, or if I'm going to like somebody's house and I don't want to bring like my whole artillery, I just want to bring like a little something something, this would do it. And if I'm in a hurry, yes, I will grab this. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments if you want to see any other videos like this and other things I should try. This hair, I know y'all gonna ask me, is from my collection. It's called shopchloeelise.com. I'll leave all the links down below. And this is my 14-inch curly hair. I make custom wigs, and this is one of the wigs that I made. It has a 4x4 lace closure. And what else? Also, there's going to be a video on these nails. These are press on, apply, and pressure, all 2020 and beyond. Okay, so make sure y'all check out that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, and God bless.